Classy Claws, another video. Today's video is using CJP Apple Shine, a little bit of a more. I was doing an ombre, but it didn't really go as well as I wanted it to go. I realised as soon as I put the Apple Shine on this nail as well, the tip was a little bit wide and I should have filed it in, but hey ho, you learn, don't you, by your mistakes. So next time I'll make sure that I file those wings in. So this set I think is inspired by Liz Guild, and I've used glitters from the Glitter Fairy, which is Persian Prince and Jasmine, and they go absolutely beautiful together. I'm not sure which collection they're from, you'd have to go and have a look on their website. On this little finger I'm using Jasmine, which has got the lighter greens in it. The Prince one is more blues, I would say. So I've done this on the little finger, and then I've done an ombre. What did I do? Full glitter on the middle finger, plain nail on the pointer finger, and then a glitter fade on the thumb. I'll leave you to watch it. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe or give a thumbs up if you liked it. And I think that's it really. And I've left a tiny bit of filing in for you, teeny weeny little bit, not much. And then obviously before I've put all this on, I've done my prep, which is push back the cuticles. It's the usual stuff, isn't it? Same every time. Push back the cuticles, get all that dead skin, cuticle, whatever you want to call it, off the nail plate. Etch the nail plate, then I dehydrate the nail plate, and then I prime twice with my primer, CJP acid-free primer that I use, just because I just want them to stay on. This is the Persian Prince. Oh my god, look at that. And then I go over this, over the tip of this. I put the Persian Prince all over this nail and then tip with the Jasmine. Beautiful together. I might, you know, at Christmas time, use them over black or something. I think they'll look stunning. What else? I think that's it, really. Hope you enjoy it. Like I say, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye. Bye. I forgot to say that I used some gems on this one as well, and we were going to put them on the plain finger, but then I decided to put them on the ombre because the ombre wasn't as I wanted it to be, so I thought it would, I don't know actually what I thought. I've got some opal gems that I'd got from eBay. I got a massive big pot of them, so I put some of those around on the ring finger. You'll see anyway. Okay, that's it. Thanks. Bye. Bye. Bye.